Madam President, this statement is delivered on behalf of drug users community in Nepal. There is an estimated 130,000 people who use drugs in Nepal, including 39,000 people who inject drugs. The National Policy for Drug Control 2006 and National Drug Control Strategy 2010 underscore the need to protect the rights of the people who use drugs. However, the reality falls short from this commitment. The 1976 Narcotic Control Act, still in force, criminalized the use, possession for personal use, and addiction to drug. Discriminatory law has been a major barrier to protect health and human rights of the drug users. According to our 2019 survey showed that half of the people who use drugs have been arrested for drug use or related offenses. Although government supports harm reduction program, the police frequently harass and detain people visit them. Treatment for drug dependence is available only private facility is expensive, which is operate without training, authorization, approval, and many cases of death, torture, and ill treatment have been reported. Women who use drugs are disproportionately impacted by stigma, discrimination, which is amplified by patriarchal norms and gender stereotype. Madam President, many of the recommendations provided by the member states UPR are relevant to the situation of people who use drugs in Nepal. That includes recommendation develop comprehensive discriminatory law policy to ensure the anti-torture legislation aligned with the international standard. The further access to health, the several recommendations to eliminate inequality, structural violence against women. We call upon the government of Nepal implement these recommendations with the view of respect, protect, or fulfill the rights of people who use drugs, taking into the account specific need consideration, including their meaningful participation in policy making. Thank you.